Hello! The Avatar Maker plugin allows you to generate real-time animations by tracking head movements and facial expressions in a video from your webcam right inside the Unity editor. We'll show how simple it is to do. Let's open the Avatar Maker window and add one of the generated models to the scene. After that, you need to go to the Window menu, choose Avatar Maker, and Facial Motion Capture. A special Facial Motion Capture window appears. There, you can choose which webcam to use if you have more than one. There's a button to start capturing. Also, you can configure several recording options. You can choose to start recording immediately as soon as the video starts streaming. Blend Shape's weights are updated in real time to match the facial expressions. At the same time, the head position is also tracked. If you need just facial expressions without head movements, turn the rotation and translation checkboxes off. The animation is being recorded to the Unity animation clip file. You can choose the file or leave this field empty. In the latter case, the new animation clip will be created automatically. Let's start capturing. You can see that the avatar is mimicking your face. When you are ready to start and stop recording, press the corresponding buttons. We didn't select an animation file, so in our case, it's been created automatically. Now you can play this animation to see what you got. This animation can be applied to any other avatar. Just open some of them. Make sure that this animation clip is selected in the Facial Capture window. Play it. This avatar repeats the same movements. Also, you can use any of the previously generated animations with this model. Just drag the clip to the animation file field and press play. Those animations could be imported to other Unity projects, and you can use them in your applications with our avatars. Thank you for watching.